Hello students, good morning and welcome back to the online class. So in the previous class we started with a new chapter, that is fire insurance claim. So we completed the theory portion and we solved one practical problems on the fire insurance claim. So we'll continue with that. So today we'll solve the next two problems. So copy down this problem. So take down fast. Okay, so we'll start with the solution part. So see the problem. A fire occurred in the premises of Mezzers M bar S, it is Mezzers Apparel Limited on 15th June 2021, and a considerable part of stock was destroyed. The value of the stock saved was 4,000, and we don't know what is the actual loss incurred, but I saved up to 4,000. So what you have to find out? You have to first calculate what is the closing stock on 15th June 2021. So 15th June the fire occurred. On that date, what is the closing stock that you need to calculate? You saved 4,000. In the sense, Apparel Limited saved 4,000. The books of firm disclosed that on 1st April 2021, the stock was rupees 45,000. So that is the opening date. My stock was 45,000. So that is the opening stock. The purchases up to the date of fire amounted to rupees 1,25,000. Means from 1st April 2021 till 50th June 2021, my purchase was 1,25,000 and the sales is rupees 1,80,000. Means my purchase 1,25,000, sale 1,80,000 till the date of fire. On investigation, it was found that during the past 5 years, the rate of gross profit on sale was 30%. So here the rate of gross profit is given, so you can directly start with the memorandum trading account. If the information regarding the gross profit is not given, then you have to start with the trading account, that is of previous year. So what they asked you to do? You are required to prepare the statement showing the amount should be claimed for the insurance from the insurance company in respect of stock destroyed by fire. Means to what extent I can claim from the insurance company. Okay, so that first you have to prepare memorandum trading account, then you have to prepare the statement. Okay, so first you draw the lines. So write the heading memorandum trading account for the period between 1/4/2021 to 15/6/2021. Okay, so first you have to start with opening stock. So they are given the information regarding the opening stock. 1 April 2021, the stock was 45,000. The next one, that is purchases up to the date of fire, 1,25,000. So write two purchases Okay, what next? They have given the sales value till the date of fire. So right, buy sales, buy sales. Okay. So next they have given the gross profit. So write two gross profit and the gross profit is on sales. Gross profit is on sales. So my total sale is 1,80,000 on that 30%. So 1,80,000 into 30%. So the difference is my closing stock. That is the balancing figure is my closing stock. So now first you do the total, then you find the closing stock value. Total 2,24,000 and the difference is 44,000. So my closing stock is 44,000. So after that, the statement showing loss suffered by the trader. Okay, so first you have to take the closing stock. So write the value of stock on the date of fire, that is closing stock. Value of stock on the date of fire. From that you have to deduct the goods saved, that is the stock saved. The value of stock saved was 4,000, so it is given in the first line. So write less stock salvaged or stock saved. The net figure what you get, that is the actual loss suffered by the trader, so that to that extent he can claim from the insurance company. Okay, so to that extent means we have to find to what extent the trader can claim the policy from the insurance company. So that is the amount of loss suffered by the trader or the value of stock destroyed by fire. It comes to 40,000, means to up to 40,000, that is my actual loss. Up to that I can claim from the insurance company. So this is illustration number 2. Okay, so next we'll move to the next illustration. So take down this problem. Okay, so we'll solve illustration number 3. A fire occurred on 30th September 2020 in the godown of Mr. Prajwal. From the following figure, ascertain the amount of fire claim to be lost. Means how much fire insurance you can claim. So stock on 1/1/2021. So that is the opening stock 17,000. Purchases from 1/1/2021 to the date of fire, that is 1,70,000. Sales from 1/1/2021 to the date of fire 2 lakh. Wages and manufacturing expenses 17,000. The rate of gross profit on cost 25%. The stock salvaged was valued at 4,000. Same. You have to observe the one changes in this problem, that is till now the gross profit was on sales, but in this problem the rate of gross profit on cost. So we have to calculate what is the gross profit on sale and not on the cost. So if it is given it as on the sale, then you can directly start with the memorandum. You can calculate it on the in the stock, okay, sorry, on the sales value, but here it is given on the basis of that 25% to be calculated on cost. First we will calculate what is the value of gross profit. Okay, so why I am preparing the working note on the value of gross profit, because it will be easier to understand the concept. If I directly tell that 2 lakh, that is the sale value, how to multiply by 25 and divide it by 125, it will find it very difficult to you to understand the concept. So first we'll start with the working note. So if it is clear for you, then you need not prepare the working note. You can directly start with the memorandum. Okay, but as it is new to you, we'll start with the working note. So right, solution in that number 1, calculation of gross profit. So right, cost, profit, sales. Now it is 25%, that is profit. So under profit you write 25, and it is on cost. So always on what is 100. So always you remember one thing, on what is always 100. Here it is on cost. So cost is 100. If you add, you will get sales. So 100 plus 25, 125. Now you know what is the sale value, that is 2 lakh. We don't know what is the cost of production, but we know what is the sale value. So under sale you write 2 lakh. Under profit you put question mark, because we need to know what is the gross profit value. So that is 25 question mark in the profit column and 2 lakh in the sales column. Now you have to do the cross multiplication, that is 25 into 2 lakh divided by 125. It comes to 40,000. So now you observe here, it is not directly 25%, it is 25 by 125. If you understood why it is 25 by 125, then you need not prepare the working note. When you prepare the memorandum trading account, there under gross profit you can directly show this calculation. So working note is not compulsory, but why I prepared working note, because to understand why we write this 25 by 125, because we are calculating the profit on sales, but here it is given on cost. So it is not directly 25%, it is 25 by 125. So again I repeat, if you understood with the concept, you can directly show this working note in the memorandum trading account. Okay, so now we come to know what is gross profit, 40,000. Now we'll start with the memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account for the period between 1/1/2020 to 30th September 2021. Okay, so first you have to start with opening stock. So write two opening stock. The next one, that is purchases. So write two purchases. So next they are given sales, buy sales. The next one, that is wages and manufacturing expenses. Next, the gross profit. So it is already calculated. So write working note number 1. Working note number 1. So the difference is closing stock. So difference is closing stock. So total 70,000 plus 1,70,000 plus 17,000 plus 40,000, it comes to 2,44,000. So 2,44,000 minus 2 lakh, it comes to 44,000. So my closing stock is 44,000. So next, that is a statement showing the loss suffered by the trader. So you have to start with the value of stock on the date of fire. So from this you have to deduct stock salvaged. So here it is, the stock salvaged was at rupees 4,000. The difference is the amount of loss suffered by the trader or the value of stock destroyed by fire, that is 40,000. So I end today's class till here. So today we solved 2 problems. So the remaining problem we'll see in the next class. Okay, thank you.